Seeing this railway stuff really wants me to get on with my story. 1 year later. Now about 9 years later. We need to update people in May.
An update coming up in this video of an old production sharing new updates and some behind the scenes archive photos and the future of an old story. All starting in Thorpe St Andrew. Enjoy!
We interrupt this video for a short history lesson. That wonderful bridge you see featured within the trailer has so much history that's dear to our hearts. Thorpe St Andrew history, which is where we live. Take a look at these amazing photographs with thanks to Thorpe History Group. All that remains now is the footbridge where we filmed from, which has one set of steps. Before being altered, the station had steps leading in both directions. It's sad to see that not much remains from a once seemingly beautiful station. The station opened in October 1874 and the bridge erected in 1886, and the last day of passenger service was on Sunday the 18th of September 1955. The station continued to be used only by freight trains up till 1964, where slightly after, station buildings were removed and platforms demolished. The signal box, however, remained a lot longer, only being demolished in 2000. Very odd how the bridge wasn't erected till 12 years after the original opening date. Thank you for watching and listening to a short history lesson with the World According to AJ, hosted by AJ. I'm off for a cup of tea now after all that narration. Normal service will resume shortly. Thank you.
Oh, so young! It's an original live video from 2018.
Right. Hi everyone!
Morning!
We're live from the railway set.
Ignore me, I look ugly, and AJ is, well, AJ.
Hey!
Alright, beautiful. Cool. We're at the railway set. Look, railway. Wait. Whee! Any questions?
Dave, what are you doing?
Alright, what are you doing?
Alright, so this is going to be opening sequence. And David, how long do you think this is going to take?
24 hours.
Let's say. We're not going to be here for 24 hours sitting on the bridge. 24 hours.
2 hours.
Actually, we've got a little something to show the viewers, don't we?
Do we?
It's there on the...
I've lost it.
Where is it?
Here, have a location scout while we actually look what we lost already.
I know, we found it earlier.
Maybe we were imagining it. I blame AJ.
No, you can't blame me.
I also blame Jamie.
That was actually it.
Who is right there.
It said Jamie, so I don't know what Jay's been up to.
There it is.
Ah, there it is.
Okay, bye.
See ya.
Maybe not, I don't know how to stop this thing.
Press. Still got my cookies.
For those who are unsure what we're on about, you can see the low resolution trailer right here, right now. To see the full trailer, check the link out in the description below. Here's our miniature haul for the production so far.
Our haul so far featuring carriages, all second-hand, platforms, fences and station details. We plan to extend this set with the track included and make a small layout for just filming with. As detailed as we can, but with some quirky bits, making it slightly out of this world. First jobs will be to clean the carriages, populate them and weather them, adding more details to the miniatures.
Fans of the world of WatAJ, before we carry on, please explore our sponsor.
A&D Film Studios is proudly sponsored by the best place to get floors in disc. Check out Howard & Hudson Floors now for a quote.
Part of the railway sequence, we want to continue working with miniatures, and we will do so using 1/76 railway scale, otherwise known as 00, mainly made by Hornby. We'll be using coaches, platforms and other accessories to complete our story. We hope to take the railway coaches and open them up and place little tiny miniature passengers inside them for added realism.
Stuck on a bridge waiting for a train. Also with Poppy.
Really? Couldn't have guessed that.
Okay, fact of the day. Poppy, why is it windy up here?
Because wind.
Railway. Well, everything else in the World According to AJ franchise is kind of made up.
So we're a franchise now.
Basically.
Cool. Why not just a series, we're a franchise?
Original 2018 video with myself and AJ rambling while recording. Good luck. Coolio, I'm happy with that.
Turn behind the scenes shot.
Awesome. Not after how much I paid for it, no.
What's that confusing?
Why? This is Whitlingham Station. Okay, it is the name of this place, so it wouldn't really confuse people.
I have an idea of... Here's some cute behind-the-scenes photos. We can't wait to update you more on this production of 1 year later. Thank you for watching.
Hey world, thanks for watching another epic World According to AJ video. More coming soon. Please review, like, love, share, comment, subscribe and laugh to keep A&D alive. See you in the next world video.